All you need is a pot lid to clean your car's upholstery. You've probably never tried such a simple trick. With it, you can freshen up your car's interior quickly and without spending money. Grab a large bowl, add a laundry detergent pod. The ingredients will help remove dirt and leave the upholstery smelling fresh. Pour in warm water. Wait for the pod to dissolve completely and mix it well to create a soapy foam. Take a small cloth and soak it in the mixture. Wring out the excess water thoroughly so it's just damp. Clean the car in sections. Lay the cloth over the upholstery. Place the pot lid on top. It's the key to this trick. Fold the edges of the cloth toward the center and grip them with the lid's handle so it stays tight. Clean the upholstery using circular motions, moving the lid across the surface. If the cloth dries out, simply soak it again and repeat on other areas. Your upholstery will look and smell fresh, giving your car a showroom feel. You'll save money on expensive cleaning at car washes and detailing services.